Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about low blood pressure, BP, also known as hypotension. Low BP is a common condition that affects many people around the world. In this video, we'll be discussing what low BP is, what causes it. It's a medical condition where the blood pressure in your arteries is lower than normal. The normal range for blood pressure is typically around 120/80ths of a millimeter of mercury. Anything below 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury is considered low. Low BP can be caused by various factors such as dehydration, medication, and other underlying health conditions. The symptoms of low BP can vary from person to person, but the most common ones include dizziness, fainting, blurred vision, nausea, fatigue, and confusion. These symptoms can be mild or severe and can occur suddenly or gradually. There are several ways to manage low BP. The first step is to identify and treat the underlying cause. If low BP is caused by dehydration, drinking plenty of fluids can help increase your blood pressure. If it is caused by medication, your doctor may adjust your dosage or prescribe an alternative medication. Other ways to manage low BP include increasing your salt intake, wearing compression stockings, and avoiding sudden changes in position. Regular exercise can also help improve your blood pressure and overall health. Conclusion. In conclusion, low BP is a common medical condition that affects many people around the world. It can be caused by various factors and can result in mild to severe symptoms. If you experience symptoms of low BP, it is important to consult with your doctor to identify the underlying cause and determine the best treatment plan. By managing your low BP effectively, you can improve your quality of life and avoid complications. Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.